Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the phone not connecting to Wi-Fi or a malfunction in Wi-Fi or any problem related to Wi-Fi in your phone. A very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before moving on to the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video, and let us move on to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings in your phone. Then my friend, to save time, right in the settings, search engine, reset network settings. We will reset the network settings to the default settings and nothing will be deleted for you. Click on reset network settings, and as you can see here below you will find reset. Click on reset again, and I repeat, nothing will be deleted for you. But if you have Wi-Fi you are connected to or saved in your phone, you will be logged out of that Wi-Fi, and when you enter it again it will ask you for the password again. This was the topic of today. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any problems or suggestions, write them in comments and we will meet in the next video, God willing.